Today we will discuss about the states of matter. What is state of matter? In our daily life, we can see various materials. Some of these are with definite shape, volume, and like this we can take in our hand and show you. And some of them are just like a kind of liquid state. We can't hold it like this, but we can keep it in a container. And some of these are just can be felt by taking smells and odor. So basically there are three types of states of matter. So there are basically three types of states of matter. States of matter. It can be divided in three parts, as we said, basically three types of. So number one, this is solid. Number two, liquid. And what is number three? Number three is gaseous substance, or we can say it just as gas. What is the characteristics of a solid substance? They must have definite shape, they must have definite volume, and obviously they must have what? They are obviously rigid. So what are the points? Definite shape, definite volume, and all the solid substances are rigid. Now if we discuss about liquid, what are the characteristics of a liquid substance? Don't have definite shape. No definite shape. Obviously we can't find any shape of a liquid. It can take the shape of a container. Where is it placed? No definite shape, but obviously definite volume. So must underline this part, no definite shape but definite volume, and they are not rigid. These substances are not rigid. Let's come to the third point, gas. What is gas and what are the basically characteristics of a gas? If we can characterize the gas by these, like no definite shape, obviously no definite shape, no definite volume, and what? Also they are not rigid. So these are the basic three parts of the states of matter. Let's come to the next point. We can make a subtitle like this: the properties which decide the state of a substance. Like we can identify a person, I mean to say we can compare two persons by their height, by their length, by their width, by their skin color, by their eyeball styles and all these. So what are the basic that properties which can decide the state of a substance? So the properties which decide the states of a substance are obviously number one, intermolecular space. Intermolecular space. We can also say it like, or spacing between two molecules. That is called intermolecular space, spacing between two molecules. Okay, so what is the second point? The second point is intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction. Force of attraction. So what is the intermolecular force of attraction? Basically, it is the force which acts between two molecules. We can also get the definition of the intermolecular force of attraction. I'm just writing over here. The force which acts between two molecules is called the intermolecular force of attraction. Force of attraction. So we can also get the definition of this phrase. And what is the third point? Obviously, it is the kinetic energy. Let's discuss about this kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? The energy acquired by a body, or a molecule due to its motion. That is called kinetic energy. We also can discuss about the potential energy. Kinetic energy is acquired by the body when it is in motion, and obviously the opposite is potential energy. What is potential energy? When the body is in rest position, so it acquires some energy which is called the potential energy. So the potential energy acquired by a body is due to its rest position or static motion. So this is the basic part of states of matter. Three types of states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. What is solid? The characteristics of definite shape, definite volume, and obviously it's rigid because we can hold it like this. What is liquid? No definite shape. Obviously it can take the shape of the container where is it kept. Definite volume and it's not rigid. Yes. And the third point is gas. What is gas? There is no definite shape of gas. Obviously we can't hold it like this and I can show you that this is something like this, that gas is over here. Not like that. So gas has no definite shape and obviously it has no definite volume. It can take the volume, it can acquire the volume of the container where it is kept, and it is also not rigid because these two are called fluid. What is fluid? Basically liquid and gas, both these two substances are called in our science the fluid. What is fluid? Fluid is something which can flow. And On the basis of this fluid, there's some topic like fluid mechanics, which is very high topic, and it would be discussed in class 11 and 12 and the higher studies also. So what are the properties which decide the state of a substance? The properties are intermolecular space. What is intermolecular space? The spacing between two molecules, that is called the intermolecular space. Yes, we must say one thing. What is molecule? Molecule is the tiny particle. We can write over here. What is molecule? Yes, I can write it like this. Molecule. Obviously, the question must come. What is molecule? It is the tiny particle which is the constituents of substance. Any substance it may be. This is called molecule. It's a tiny particle of a substance which can constitute the substance. What is the second point? It is intermolecular force of attraction. What is intermolecular force of attraction? It is a force which acts between two molecules, is called the intermolecular force of attraction. So what is the intermolecular force of attraction? Basically, if there are two molecules like this, there acts a force between them, which is called intermolecular force of attraction. It's a very different topic and interesting topic. It would be discussed in different classes. So yes, it's very interesting. And the third point is what? It's kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? The energy acquired by a body or a molecule due to its motion is called the kinetic energy. So this is the topic, and rest of the topics can be discussed on the class. Thank you.